In this presentation, I'll be explaining the 5 types of insect mouthparts and their functions, and we'll give one example of each. Firstly, the 5 types can be split into the following categories: chewing, piercing sucking, siphoning, sponging, and chewing lapping. These mouthparts consist of the same fundamental mouthpieces that are either lacking or modified to fit the desired mouth structure. These pieces are the labrum as the protective upper lip, mandibles for cutting and crushing food, maxillae for manipulating the food, hypopharynx as a tongue-like structure, and labium as the lower lip. Chewing mouthparts are the most primitive and include all 5 parts, with robust mandibles for biting and grinding, and can be seen in insects like grasshoppers. Piercing sucking mouthparts have modified mandibles and maxillae into a sharp piercing stylet for sucking fluids, as well as the labrum and hypopharynx being modified into a feeding canal, and are seen in insects like mosquitoes. Siphoning mouthparts lack mandibles but have elongated maxillae fused to form a long tube to suck nectar, and are seen in insects like butterflies. Sponging mouthparts have reduced mandibles and maxillae with an enlarged labium that is modified into a sponge for absorbing liquefied food, and are seen in insects like houseflies. Finally, chewing lapping mouthparts are a combination of the mandibles seen in chewing mouthparts alongside a modified maxillae and labium to form a tongue-like structure to lap up liquids, and are seen in insects like bees. In conclusion, this has been a quick explanation of the 5 fundamental mouthpieces and the 5 foundational mouthparts that are present in insects. Thank you.